The MEGHALAYA project implementation in Meghalaya, organized by the MEGHSHALA Trust, Bengaluru in partnership with the Department of Education, Government of Meghalaya, the State Education Mission Authority, SSA Meghalaya, and Directorate of School Education and Literacy, Government of Meghalaya, and also funded by Lenovo, had conducted a one-day training for teachers of 30 schools of East KHASI Hills district on the 5th of May 2022 at Women's College, Shillong. The Administrative Officer, State Education Mission Authority of Meghalaya, P. Rinksai, graced the occasion as chief guest, while others present included the DSEO East KHASI Hills district, M. Lingwa, State Coordinating Manager, MEGHSHALA, teachers and students of various schools of East KHASI Hills district. Lenovo has been supporting MEGHSHALA Trust, a non-profit organization, in its aim to promote education by focusing on teacher training and STEM-based education for students within the classroom environment. The MEGHSHALA Trust, with the support of Lenovo, has been facilitating lessons for teachers in English, EVS, Social Studies and Mathematics for classes 1 to 8, where the medium of instruction is in English and the vernacular language. While giving an insight into the CSR activities of global technology leader Lenovo, Pratima Harite, Head of Philanthropy and CSR, Lenovo Asia Pacific, informed on the aims and objectives of digital learning to promote e-learning, especially among students of underrepresented communities.
Master trainer, there is an exchange of ideas and feedback, so that helps to keep enhancing the application, and that's what attracted Lenovo, because our philosophy is also about innovation and transformation. And the innovation here is not just about you make one product and you let that go forward in the market, but to also say that the innovation needs to continue to develop and provide information that is tactical and real time, and that's what we are looking at for the students through this application and for the teachers as well.
Also speaking to media persons was the founder and executive trustee of the MEGHSHALA Trust, Jyoti Tyagarajan, who expressed her gratitude to the Department of Education, Government of Meghalaya, without whose support MEGHSHALA would not have had its presence in the state. About Lenovo, Tyagarajan said that the global technology leader has been standing steadfastly by MEGHSHALA's side by helping the tech and hardware quietly and without fuss.
So a master teacher trains a teacher. The teacher, by the way, also gets the master teacher to look at what he or she is doing. And the master teacher who's not in that classroom will then realize that in Meghalaya, they're very concerned about how the fish are treated. And we put that into our lesson in Meghalaya. We have to make place-based, very, very specific lessons for very, very specific areas and states. To a large extent, math works. You know, any equation is the same whether it's in Coorg. I'm just using Coorg and Meghalaya because we talked about this today.
For training of teachers. Today also we have this session, training session today, whereby from Lenovo they are providing the tablet and also the training session. And for this 30 teachers we asked them to come today. So they will be training them, and then these teachers later they will be acting as master trainer.